Let's learn how to add more friends to your Snapchat shortcuts. It's very easy to add new people to your Snapchat shortcuts. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. For this video, I'm going to take a snap, then tap on Send To at the bottom right corner. Now, you'll see your Snapchat shortcuts just below the search bar. What you need to do is tap on the small plus icon here to view all your shortcuts. Next, select the shortcut you want to add more people to, and then simply choose the friends from the list. You can add as many people as you like. Once you've selected everyone you want to add, tap on Save. The shortcut will now be updated with the new friends or family members. Let's go back, and now if I select the updated shortcut and tap on Select All, I can easily send snaps to everyone in that Snapchat shortcut. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future.